Good morning, sweet soul. We are currently on our way to Reno. I have not slept well over the past couple of days. It's been incredibly stressful. My coach and I actually parted ways about 2 weeks ago. Kind of just been doing it all by myself. I mentioned Coach Nate to you. I actually reached out to him. I was like, hey, so I'm currently in this dilemma. Could you please just get me through peak week? Because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm very grateful. No questions asked. He helped me. If I do end up doing another show, I will definitely have him as my coach because he is super reliable and kind. And he really knows what he's doing. I have my entire life in the back of the car. I have all the water on planet Earth next to me in the seat of my car. I have my meals ready. I have to stop every 2 hours on this almost 8-hour drive just to make sure that my legs can get stretched a little bit. I am deeply proud of myself that even though with everything that has been going on, I am still this beautiful morning in my car on my way to Reno and on my way to actually do the show. For now, I'm gonna have my favorite morning because I have my protein coffee and I get to snack while I drive. Also, I've driven this road before when my mom came for a visit from Germany and we did our national park trips. This is such an empowering trip, not only because it's my first ever bodybuilding show and I'm attending the NPC Legion Sports Fest in Reno all by myself, but also I have never done a complete solo travel by myself before. I planned everything, I packed everything, I booked a hotel, I did all the things. It's almost like as if I'm an adult. I like that I'm feeling rich because my gas is full. Genuinely, the struggle it was to get my luggage up here and check in is wild. I'm not even going to talk about it. It was so frustrating. Welcome to the hotel room. Life could be worse. I love the office and I am eating part of my food already now because I'm really hungry and I want to have a little bit of energy for my little pump up later. Good morning. I think I slept around like 11 hours. I feel so much better. I'm gonna do my stomach vacuums now, do my little weight check-in, and then we're gonna get ready to get the first coat of tanning. Friday breakfast. I am already in my little tanning outfit. Oversized, baggy, dark colors, slippers. No socks, no bra, and no underwear. Currently cooling down the room and I have the fan on high because once I have the tan, I cannot sweat anymore because it will ruin the tan, which is also why I prepared the bed like this. And I already know that this pile of pillows for my legs is gonna scare the shit out of me later because I'm gonna think that there's someone in my room. This is my show bag. I'm gonna grab some water. I have my power bank here, then my Tic Tacs for fresh breath, my NPC membership cards, then I have clothing tape, something if she does show up, a pea cup, 2 resistance bands, 1 medium, 1 strong. Then I have my little pillowcase that I'm gonna be sitting on. These are my shoes, my bikini, jewelry, including this little lifesaver, nail glue. Then I have my rope, which I will throw over my bikini. Then I have my post-stage meal, hydration pack, salt, rice cakes, and my honey. So this is what I'm gonna pack right now. And if anything else comes to my mind, I'll keep you updated. I just lost my slipper and almost face planted in front of this couple. Why am I nervous? I'm just getting a tan. I feel like because it makes it feel real. You know, it's actually happening. Good morning. How are you?
Hey, we're not starting until noon.
Okay, perfect.
Right at noon,
But I'm right here because I already got lost twice. Thanks.
the right spot.
First layer of tan is done. I made every mistake I could, but they were so patient and nice. Now we're just gonna go home and rest, eat, drink water. I just laid down for a second. And this, my friends, is why you bring your own sheets, okay? I'm dead. This is so funny. At least I look snatched on my bed. And then my second layer is tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Tonight, there's gonna be the check-ins and then going to bed as soon as possible because I'm gonna get up so early. I'm also gonna ask them to set up a wake-up call for me just in case my phone doesn't work because I'm paranoid. All checked in. I'm competitor number 127. I have made like 4 new friends. Hi, how are you today? Good, thank you. I'm in room 2869. I was curious if I could have a wake-up call scheduled at 4:15 a.m. tomorrow. Yes, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you. Have a good day. Bye. Setting up my makeup station here and then my hair station right next to you. This is gonna be my little makeup station. These are the products that I will be using. And I already set them up from left to right how I'm gonna use them. And then here is my little hair station. I have my curling iron, different brushes, and then hairspray, dry shampoo, heat protectant, and then, oh, this belongs over here. This is the setting spray, so this is actually the last step for the makeup routine. I'm gonna take my melatonin now so that I can make sure I will get some good rest. It is currently early. 7:07! We just found out that the stage does have carpet, and heels are so hard to walk on carpet. Luckily, this floor here also has carpet, so I'm gonna do one more run of practice just to make sure. Don't be scared, it's just me. This is a collagen mask, because self-care. But let's take a shot together. And while there are so many beautiful reasons to cheers to, I want to dedicate this specific shot to self-empowerment. So let's raise our glass. In Germany we say Prost. So Prost. Good morning, my love. How did you sleep? I slept horribly. I could not fall asleep, even with the help of the tequila and even with my sleep support. I kept having nightmares, I kept waking up, people kept coming past the hallway in the hotel and it was just so loud. So even though I went to bed like almost 8 hours before I needed to get up, I did not fall asleep and I did not sleep well. Additionally, I'm cramping and I'm starting to swell, so you know what that means. All fun stuff, but still in a good mood. I'm so glad I didn't get up any later because I had to restart my makeup like 3 times because it was not going the way I needed it to go. Second coat of spray tan is done. Let's go home and finish makeup or restart makeup for the 3rd time. Is that enough? I don't know, I've never used it. I'll see if I'm still wearing this makeup in 3 days. Oh, coffee! Yay! Let's move on to hair. Never tried it before by Batiste. Absorbs oil and releases bursts of fragrance as you sweat, which is great because I feel like I smell like tan and sweat. Please to the hair gods, let this go well. Ready to go on stage like that. Use our fingies to rub it in so we look fresh and pretend like we didn't not shower for 2 days. I'm really hot right now. I'm gonna put my hair actually up. I cannot sweat because if I sweat, my tan runs down. 3rd time's charm, just like with the makeup. 3rd time's charm. This is gonna work out. This is it. This is it. And then we pull it down. Don't scare it. Don't scare it. Don't scare it.
We were sparks on quiet streets, 2 hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same?
Eating. Time for our food. Stays like this. 147. First. Second. Cute.
If only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars.
found a solution. 10:06. Okay. I need to do my pump up at 10:55. I'm just gonna go over now, just so that I can't be late. And in case there's anything else that I need to do, I can do it then. Oh my god, I'm shaking so bad. I think someone needs to help me adjust my top because the girls are girling. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. But just so you know, just keeping it real, okay? I'm fucking nervous. Let's go. It was actually supposed to go on my arm, but my wrist is too small, so I was like, I still want to use it.
Yeah, looks good.
I'm so proud of Mike. Done. It's about to be time to go on stage. So I was just on, I had to switch places twice. I don't think I'm gonna place. The girls are incredibly ripped and I was shaking so hard. I had a hard time finding my balance. Interesting experience. Coaches seem super sweet too. And then next time I'm on, it's around like 5 or 6 p.m. I just shared on my Instagram about my insecurities here today, and the amount of support and reassurance I have received just reminded me even more why I'm here, why I'm sharing my life on socials, because truly it takes a village for whatever you do. How I've been reminded today by how hard I've worked and that I've only been doing this for not even 6 months. I've been told how people have been seeing how hard I've been working. Truly means so much to me. This really gave me the courage to go back tonight on stage and feel a little bit better and just have fun. I'm just so grateful, so grateful that I am here, and I'm so proud of myself. So what if I don't place? I still lost like 20 pounds, 10 kilos. Probably more now, because last time I checked it has been a couple of weeks too. And I've cut my body fat in half. I've had such big achievements just for myself. And a friend said that I'm already a winner just being there. And that is so true. All the hard work has been done. I deserve to stand on that stage, show up for myself, because this is what it's all been about for me. Okay, halfway there. My heart is so full, honestly. It's been so nice having all of my meals planned and prepped so that I really just have to pour it out and eat it. Last chicken. It's not possible. Just do the last of it. I don't think I will ever eat chicken again. Until tomorrow, because I do love chicken.
A nutritious meal plus treats packed right in. It's
on my way back, what I'm most excited about, even more than eating whatever I want to eat, is taking a shower. I'm so ready to take a shower.
Our judges have put in their final.
It's over! I got a medal. I have exceeded my goals. I did not face plant once. The judge was super nice. I loved how he was like, you have great stage presentation. I think I'm just gonna take myself on a little solo date. Oh, no more rice cakes! No more chicken! I've decided to take myself out on a little sushi date. Everything's already closing, so I have to drive, but that's okay. I can't believe it's already over. How sad. But yeah, I think to answer the question, I do want to compete again. This is a lot of fun. And there's so many opportunities to grow, and the community is fantastic. So why not? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next vlog.